Hello there, welcome to another video in the Appward developer video series. My name is Cameron and I'm a developer here at Appward, an app developer, and I'm going to be teaching you about screen images. Screen images are just what they sound like. They're just images, little icons you can put in your app, and you can specify whatever image you'd like to put in there, resize, move it around, whatever you need. Let's get started and I'll kind of show you how they work. So here I've got just a basic application. I call it favorite animal, and all there really is in here is an image and a variable. We'll get to that later. The image can be moved around, resized, whatever you need. I'll just kind of keep it right there for now. What you'll notice is in an image you've got this on file name property, and what you can do here is go in and actually select an image. And I'll just choose this leopard here. So that updates right in there, and if I save and click out, here we are, we've got our leopard. But what if you're asking me, Cameron, what if I have a bunch of other images that I want to be displayed in the same spot dynamically based on some factors? Well, let me show you what's going on here. I've got a variable here called var image, and what I'm actually going to do is point the on file name property to that var image. If I go my parent.var image \value, well, it blanks out. That's because there's nothing here yet, but we'll put something there. If I grab a screen checkbox and just place it right over there, I can add another select. What I'll do is I'll just say this is dog, and the caption is dog. This is cat, and the caption is cat. Now, what you'll see here is the down value of this dog. Default, it's true and false. What I'll do is I'll actually pass in a file path here on the down value. If I go into File Explorer and just grab a file path, a copy path from this dog, I can place it right in here, and that's now the value of that check. Same with the cat. I'll change the down value here to the path of this cheetah, paste that right in there. Okay. So what's going to happen here is when we click on these different boxes, either dog or cat, it's going to update the value of this checkbox with the down value of that select. So the value, what I'll do in order to tie it in with our variable, I'll just set the value to the variable, our image \value. Hopefully the capital isn't, yeah. Okay. var image \value, and whenever I change this checkbox, this var image should be updating this value here, and that's exactly the value that this on file name property is looking at. So I'll save and close, and we'll see that when I click dog, I get a dog. When I click cat, I get a cat. Easy as that. Back and forth, back and forth. I can add a whole bunch of selects here with different animals, different file paths attached to the down value of each of those selects, and our image will behave exactly the same. Similar behavior can be achieved using a combo box, a drop-down menu, or really just putting it in manually like you saw me do in the very beginning there. So that's about it for screen images. Just a quick and dirty introduction. We learned about the on file name property, which sets the actual image itself. You can pass in a file path for that. And then we talked about a convenient way to be able to update that on file name by binding it to a variable and manipulating that variable using a screen checkbox. So thank you for tuning in and watching another YouTube tutorial on our Appward developer series. If you have any other info or just curious, you can go to appward.com and see what we're all about, or watch our other YouTube videos and learn a little bit more about our platform. All of these things that I did here would have taken so much longer to code by hand, And with the visual tools that we have with the screen design tool, we accomplished all of this in just minutes. So we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.